Morning. Last week finished on a strong risk-on tilt note. With fears about inflation tamed somewhat, investors continue to buy equity at the expense of other assets. So you can see the S&P probably having its best week of the year, reaching new records on Friday. And then while not reaching new records, but the Dow also jumped higher. And then the dollar and gold stayed remarkably put. In the crypto space, while Friday was admittedly a difficult day, the weekend was actually relatively bullish. So essentially walking back on Friday's losses after a quick, scary intraday visit at 30,000 on Saturday. So Bitcoin is currently at 34,500, still safely within a 32K, 42K range, and in my opinion, maybe forming a bottom in the lower 30Ks that could then take us back to at least the top of said range. Alts are really not the focus at this point. This might actually be a great dynamic, the opportunity to get into things that might seem less attractive to the main market. So the Bitcoin dominance index is still hovering around 48, which these days is higher. Amongst the best alts performer, Ethereum is up 10% on the session on Sunday. Comp also outperformed with 15%, and we're also seeing coins like Chainlink, Cardano, Aave essentially following Ethereum up, gaining around 8%. Now, with regards to on-chain data, two charts from Glassnode caught my attention. One chart shows the profit and loss ratio of addresses, and you can see that a lot of people lost during the current retracement and range. This is painful for those investors, but for holders and contrarian investors, this could actually signal a bottom. And then the second chart is actually related and tracks the psychology of the market for short-term holders, and well, they're capitulating, which again can be a positive signal for long-term holders and buyers. With regards to recent news, the tone is rather bearish. Everyone is looking at Binance and the UK, where the FCA has essentially ordered Binance to stop activities by the end of June and keep all records for review. And then in a sudden twist, Binance announced that on the same day that it had acquired an FCA-regulated entity, which would then serve as the new Binance UK. But now there's rumors that regulators might not really like this type of counter move and might actually move to take away that entity's license. In other parts of the world where things seem to look better, in El Salvador, the government will send $30 worth of Bitcoin to its citizens. And we just read also that Athena will install about 1,500 crypto ATMs in the country. And then further out in Brazil, the first Bitcoin ETF was listed end of last week. So it seems that those guys are at least embracing crypto. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It helps with the visibility, but also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.